Check this out. 71 HEMI Cuda that just surfaced. Got red dirt Mopar right here. What up, brother?
Look at this.
Man, even
You
the
gotta
wow, even the clock
look at
still
this,
works in
look,
this.
Map light.
Dome light still working.
Map light comes on. Glove box light comes on. Everything works. Let's see if these come on.
Oh wow, the blinkers still work. Even the fiber, that's what they're fiber optics, right? On the Fender. This is what Chevy called them.
Just the light. I don't know the Fender turn signal indicators.
And I'll put a start up and a drive out in this video. Wow. And they got it running and driving in the last 3 weeks. You got it driving like what, 4 days ago or something?
Oh yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah, I'll put the start up at the end of this. But yeah, mostly original paint. The fender, I'll show you the passenger fender, was redone. They hit a kid, I guess, on a bike or something like that. Well, they didn't, but the other owner did. And then they repainted it, but still got the original, what was it, jute padding underneath there. It's just wild. Let me see your flashlight. Yeah, flashlight.
Yeah.
You can see the.
Oh,
that's factory. Yeah, let me see that.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
And it's still original trunk mat is still under there.
Wow, and it's not rotted out underneath it either.
Super nice.
Just a wild car,
Original
man.
spare rim. The space saver tower is gone, but the jacks are still here.
I'm surprised more people didn't do that. Just mount an actual one on it instead of the space saver. I mean, it fits.
They were telling us that. Probably the right one. Oh, like the rubber from the space saver come off?
This is just crazy, man.
Well,
I would drive this. What?
You have to look at the date. It's got the white watch on it. It's a collapsible.
What did this say on it? I see a Chrysler.
Yeah,
What dealership was
there's
it?
an old dealer emblem there. We're trying to figure out which dealership that was.
But it
looks like it's went to two because there's
Yeah.
one with the Chrysler logo here, and then there's another one.
At least they didn't drill it in like most
Yeah,
dealerships. Just a crazy car, man. Just surfaced about 3 weeks ago and brought it here. An original Billboard car, and these are the original Billboards. So anybody who's out here doing a restoration, this is how it's supposed to look. Man, I would just drive this as is. I wouldn't even wash it. Just amazing.
That's before 77.
Just wild, man. And for it to be a bench seat with a buddy seat instead of buckets, man. Just crazy. They didn't find a build sheet underneath the seats or behind the seat panel. But look at this. So it's just like the Reynolds car, if you know that one. That's a highly optioned 71 HEMI Cuda. But that one has had the billboards replaced. This one is original. Imagine how much of a nightmare this would have been as a factory worker on a Friday to just lay all this decal out in one take. And there's door edge moldings. Just an amazing car, man. Not rusted out. All the floors are nice. Just a wild car. And then somebody's probably screaming, oh, it's got the wrong emblem on the shaker. This car, you can kind of see in this picture right here from the 80s. This car left the dealership with this Argent scoop on it and the Challenger emblem on it. It's still overspray on the underside of it. So this is correct to this car. You know, never say never. It's kind of like the, I did a video of the 70 HEMI Challenger that is at the Brothers Collection. It has a TA hood on it because there was a shortage of actual shaker hoods. So we got a TA hood and they got those emblems on the side of a TA hood. Looks odd. I believe there's like 1 to 5 that were like that. But just amazing. Just an unrestored car, as found. Crazy. And the fact that it runs and drives now, they're gonna drive it up out of there. So this is the fender. I think this fender might have been some sort of yellow or something, but this fender has been repainted or painted since the accident. And you can see under here, I gotta ask him if it's a color keyed grill. I mean, it's got the color keyed mirrors, but you see that's the NOS lower valance they put on there after the car accident. They got the road lights. Just crazy, man. Just crazy. Let me know what you would do. Would you restore this one? Like, some people would automatically restore this 71 Challenger. Personally, I'd drive it just like that. Redo the interior and drive it. But this one right here, would you repaint it? Make it a 1,000-point car?
Yeah.
You know, this is definitely a reference point for people who are restoring cars. You know, stuff like this, like the glycol sticker.
Yeah, I'd be in.
You know,
Got turn signals on the trees on that shaker.
you know, just
Indicators that you're here. So the driver can see the turn signals.
just wow, man. And the fact that it has both fender tags, and not only that, you can kind of see underneath there's another third tag, which is, because people are saying, where's the HEMI fender tag? It usually goes here. It's actually underneath that second right there. You can kind of see it. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. So, see the little edge of it right there? There you go. See an edge of that. The third fender tag. I mean, this thing's loaded. They didn't skip on this. Let you guys pause it, decode all that, but just crazy. In my opinion, the best muscle car ever built. There's like still chalk marks on the shock tower. I don't know if I can really see it, you know, but the brakes, so the master cylinder and the booster were both gone through in the past. The bracket to lift it out on HEMI cars to clear the valve covers is still down there. Just a crazy original car that runs and drives. Like somebody, you know, so it's just an awesome car. You saw that everything inside still works as far as lights and everything. Just wild, man. Just an absolute awesome car. Just found about 3 weeks ago. Brought straight here, you know, cleaned up and drive it.
Pretty cool car, huh, Desi?
I mean, it's all right. I showed the clock again.
Yeah, look at that original.
Oh yeah.
I got to walk. All right,
Excuse me. Look at this, man.
trying to close it.
Yeah, it is. It's ready to roll. Yeah, man. Congrats on this. Just wow, man. And it's a. What was the mileage on it? Was it 135,000?
35,000.
Oh yeah, up top right there. 35,000 mile car. 8 grand tax, rally dash. Just man, I'm daily driving this as is.
Hey, it's one of the only cars I actually put the fire extinguisher in.
Oh,
I'm
got
not gonna
to.
be the guy that burns it down.
Right. I heard somebody crashed their Nova. I think last year leaving here and died. Somebody crashed their Nova. Somebody told me that. It was maybe it wasn't last year, but it was somebody left the show and yeah, left MCACN in their Nova and crashed it and died. I was like, dang.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so
That's horrible.
somebody told me that yesterday. I was like, dang, but yeah, no, this is wild. You guys heard the radio still works.
You know, I
Just an awesome
probably
car.
wouldn't order to call them shift, but once you drive this car, you can kind of see why someone did.
Yeah.
It's comfortable.
Well, and all the options they put on it, they weren't looking for a stripper. And you know the HEMI was the most expensive option. The second most expensive was the sunroof, which you couldn't get in the 71 Cuda. But as far as e-bodies go, 70, 71, I believe 72, you can start getting the sunroof in a Cuda. But yeah, man, this is it. This is it. Just an awesome reference car. Door shuts nice. Don't gotta slam it. That's awesome. I wouldn't restore this car at all, man. It's cool as is. Pull up to the Cars and Coffee with this. See how nice the vinyl top still is, man. I'm rolling it just like this. Just awesome. Just look at that. That's the find of the century right here. Here.
The aftermarket ones are just.
But yeah, hope y'all appreciate this, man. This is it. Well, some people like the 70 the most. Nah, 71's it. Billboards, this is it. I'm getting no better than this.
We're very careful about
But yeah, red dirt Mopars. Definitely one of my favorite cars here. I'd say top 3. We're gonna check out an SS427 also, 68. But this is definitely one of the top 3 cars I like here.